Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So just wanted to do a quick little lawn update. It's September 8th, so 8 days after we did our overseeding. And we're starting to see some good growth here. Let's see, poking in through the peat moss. We got our fresh little grass. Over here, if you remember from the video, and it scalped down pretty bad all the way to the ground. You can see fresh little grass sprouting up. So this is, like I said, this is a little bit more than a week after we did our core aeration, our dethatching, and our overseeding. And we're starting to see some good growth. We're keeping the lawn watered every day, making sure we keep it nice and moist. And we're gonna keep this up for another 2 weeks or so. But in 2 weeks' time, we should be ready for our first mow. I'll update you when that happens. Thanks again. Take care.